goggles, mitochondria, cell wall, nucleus, valculosis.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, bro, I'm just doing this research for this project.
Lit. Yeah, no, we're learning this now, or we already learned this. Yeah,
Actually?
Yeah, it's pretty lit, actually.
You know that, like, the vacuole is, like, the membrane-bound organelle?
It's vacuole, dummy. So after all of my research, I found out that this is the middle of the cell. This is the powerhouse of the cell. This is what a plant cell looks like, and this is what a human cell looks like. This is a eukaryotic cell. This is a prokaryotic cell. Can we just get a change in music here? Oh, I didn't see that. I don't know, you guys are filming. So we're gonna be comparing the cell to a car, because that's the first thing that came to my mind, and I think that would be the easiest. So yeah, let's get into that. In my mind, the nucleus would probably most represent the driver of a car, because a driver can control the car however he wants or she wants. And the nucleus controls the cell. It tells it what to do, and it contains all the coded DNA and specific instructions. The cell membrane on a car would be the doors and windows, because if you roll down the windows or open the doors, things can go in and out, such as yourself, passengers, or anything you need out of the car. And that's also what cell membrane does. It allows things to go in and out easily when it wants. The chloroplasts would be the car's paint, because chloroplasts give leaves their green color, and so paint would be the biggest color scheme of the car, because that's the main thing people see when they see a car. The vacuoles would be the gas tank, because the gas tank holds fuel that can be held for later, and the vacuoles hold like proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, like stores them, that can be used for later if needed. The cytoplasm would be the frame of the car, because the frame holds everything together, and the cytoplasm contains everything within the cell. The ribosomes would be spark plugs, because the spark plugs make the sparks inside the engine so that the car can run. It uses fuel, and that's basically what the ribosomes do. They make protein that the cell can use when it needs it. Endoplasmic reticulum would be the fuel lines, because the fuel lines move fuel or gasoline through the vehicle, and endoplasmic reticulum leads and brings nutrients throughout the vehicle when it's needed. The mitochondrion would obviously be the engine, because the engine supplies the power to the car to make it go, and everybody knows that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. The Golgi bodies would be the pistons of the car, because the pistons convert fuel that is used and pushes it out through the exhaust, and the Golgi body packages everything and gets it ready to be shipped out of the cell. The lysosome would be the fuel input system, because the fuel input system makes it easier for the fuel to get to where it needs to be, and the lysosome makes it easier for the cell to digest. So it basically moves it around quicker to where it needs to be.